All right, what's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry Z. Welcome to the channel, Buy the Dip. All right, guys, and in today's video, we're going to talk about Tesla and Apple. Yes, two very popular stocks right now. As you can see on both stocks, I have the one month growth chart. And in 1 month right now, Apple is up 30%, $116 a share. And if we go to Tesla in the 1 month chart, it is also up 33%, up almost 500 bucks, up $493. Now that is crazy. As you can see, this stock was kind of leveled off a while, and then they announced the stock split, and boom, shot up 30%. Stock split is happening this Friday. If we look at Apple, pretty much the same thing. They announced the stock split, and boom, shot up. So the question is there still room to make money? Is there still potential growth opportunities in Tesla and Apple? Are these stocks maxed out? Is people going to sell out after the stock split this Friday? I think it's going to be a very volatile week. It could happen before the split. It could happen after the split. But this week and next week for these two stocks is going to be huge. And I found this article here, and this is from Market Insider, and it's from CNBC Mad Money Jim Cramer. So we're going to check out that article, and it says, Apple and Tesla stock have more magic in the tank under the leadership of Tim Cook and Elon Musk, despite the upcoming stock splits, Jim Cramer says. So that's pretty good news if you guys are in these stocks right now, because for Mad Money to still say that there's still possibly room to make money on these stocks is crazy, because they shot up so much. So let's just go over some of the bullet points here. He says Apple and Tesla stocks will skyrocket further despite of explosiveness growth in recent weeks, and that was from CNBC Mad Money host Jim Cramer said. They're both stocks, and in the end, stocks can break your heart, but if Elon Musk and Tim Cook continue to execute, I bet their long-term trajectory is up. Apple became the first U.S. listed company to hit $2 trillion last week, but Cramer does not think this stock is expensive. So that's kind of crazy. I mean, he's saying that he doesn't think Apple is expensive at like 500 bucks. So imagine when they do the 4-to-1 split. This stock's going to go to about $125 a share. So that's going to be crazy. And if people's buying in here at 500, so imagine people buying in at 125. Now, all these people that have Apple right now is going to have 4 times as many shares that they had before the stock split. And Tesla's doing a 5-to-1 split, so shares are going to be like $400 roughly on Tesla. So you got Apple going to like 125 and Tesla going to 400. But if I put money into these stocks, I'm going to give it a couple weeks and see what happens. If they drop a little bit, if they dip. But if they go up, then I may just hold off and wait for a dip, because it's just, for me, I think it's a bubble. But now that's in the short term. I think the bubble is possibly going to pop in the short term, but Jim here is talking about the long term, like probably 5-10 years out. Now, if I think you're putting money in these stocks for the 5-10 year plan, I think you're going to make money for sure. There's no doubt. You're definitely going to make money if you're in it for 5 and 10 years out. But if you're in it for just short term, like the next year or two, I wouldn't recommend putting money in it. But as long as you think that you're going to stay in these companies for 5-10 years, then you definitely can put money in it. And this is pretty funny. Cramer said regarding Tesla, Cramer said, I know Musk has more magic in the tank. So Jim Cramer is really high on Elon Musk, which I think a lot of people are. So here's some other key points. Apple and Tesla have been two of the stock market's biggest success this year, surging despite of coronavirus pandemic, and their rallies have further to run despite upcoming stock splits for both firms. And that was according to Jim Cramer, and he thinks that the stocks will continue to rise in the long term. And if we go down here, as you can see, Tesla's going to enact a 5-to-1 stock split on the 31st. Apple is enacting the 4-to-1 stock split on the 31st as well. This will be Apple's 5th time doing the stock split. And the stock split will have zero impact if you guys have any shares. You're just going to have more shares. That's basically it. You're just going to have more. So basically they're saying here in the 1-year chart for Tesla, it exploded 385%. And the stock is just shy of $2,000. So guys, that's crazy. Comment down below. What do you think? Are you investing in Tesla? Are you investing in Apple? And if you are investing, how long are you looking to keep your money in these companies? Short term, like you talking 1 year, 2 years? Are you in it for the 5 and 10 years? Because if I put money into these stocks, I'm gonna have to go 5 and 10 years out, I think, and just let it set there. Put like, $50 in here and there, just throw it in, let it set, and go from there. So alright guys, if you find this video helpful, please smash that like button, comment down below. I'll reply back to your comment. Appreciate all the support. Guys, I will catch you in the next one, and remember, buy the dip.